Aston Martin Vanquish launches in India. Sensational new Halo model marks comeback of legendary Vanquish name. New 5.2 V12 twin-turbo engine develops class-leading 835 PS 1000 Nm. Highest maximum speed of 214 miles per hour in an Aston Martin series production car. New chassis structure features plus 80 mm increase in wheelbase. Unprecedented combination of refined comfort, supercar performance and pinpoint dynamics sets new flagship benchmark. Bilstein DTX dampers, electronic rear differential, EDIF, and AML-specific 21-inch Pirelli P0 trademark symbol tires amongst technical highlights. Full-length panoramic glass roof and bespoke, state-of-the-art infotainment system are distinctive signatures of all-new ultra-luxury interior. Limited to under 1,000 production examples each year. 29th March 2025, Bengaluru. Aston Martin proudly announces the return of its most legendary nameplate, Vanquish. Launching in India at a price range of ex-showroom 8.85 crore, without options, this technical masterpiece unites stunning supercar performance with refined elegance. A technical masterpiece befitting a true class leader, Vanquish sits at the pinnacle of Aston Martin's fabled front-engine sports car range. Showcasing exceptional in-house engineering ability, a new legend extends this dynastic bloodline in magnificent style. Highlights include a world-class V12 engine of monumental potency, a bespoke chassis bristling with state-of-the-art dynamics technology, carbon fiber bodywork of unmatched presence and an interior which sets new standards of modern luxury. With production limited to under 1,000 examples a year, this icon will continue to reign in ultra-luxury exclusivity. Powered by a new 5.2-litre twin-turbo V12 producing an astonishing 835 PS and 1000 Nm of torque, Vanquish achieves a new benchmark for supercar performance with immense in-gear acceleration and a top speed of 214 miles per hour, the highest top speed of an Aston Martin series production car to date. Only by refining every stage of the internal combustion process has this unprecedented performance and efficiency been achieved, while ensuring this magnificent V12 meets the latest emissions legislation across global markets. With its chassis meticulously honed to deliver unprecedented dynamic bandwidth, Vanquish features harness the processing power of the most sophisticated powertrain, chassis and braking control systems available to deliver a unique combination of character and capability which fuses the effortless mileating comfort of a continent-crushing GT with the precision, exploitability and immersive, entertaining driving experience of a supercar. Speaking of the spectacular new V12 flagship, Aston Martin Executive Chairman, Lawrence Stroll, said, "With the introduction of Vanquish we have crowned Aston Martin's next-generation sports car portfolio. A true halo model in every respect, Vanquish makes an emphatic statement. One that further delivers on our mission to create the most potent, most beautiful and most exciting car."
Today we're launching the new Aston Martin Vanquish versus our flagship model. It is a V12 engine which produces about 835 PS, 1000 Nm torque. So this is our most luxurious product that we made and the most powerful so far that we made till date. And we're proud to bring it into India market, cater to the absolute bespoke and customized orientation customers. So yes, we're very excited to bring the car in just 6 months from the global launch to India. We're looking forward to have a great time.
What is the unique of this car?
So, as I said, certain uniqueness. One, it has a carbon fiber body. The V12 engine that it has, the design language that this car has, with these thermal louvers onto the bonnet, the kind of customizations that you can go ahead with the car, starting from the exterior right to the interior, and all over. So these are certain things which make the car very unique as well as customized to each individual how he wants.
Mileage, what about mileage? Then?
And in these cars, honestly, you won't look at the mileage. It's more about performance. It is more about that luxury, more about that fit and finish, and also more about that individualization that a person looks into this car.
Price plus.
So this is the car has base ex showroom of 8.85 CR, and then whatever are the customizations that are going to be loaded, that will decide.
How many colors, sir?
So there are a lot of colors which are available on the website, and we also derive a Q program within Aston Martin, wherein you can have a color of your particular choice. So there's no limitation to the colors.
So what is the different about the another cars to this car?
So the kind of overall experience that the car gives. So this is a car which is not just focused on the performance. It has an equal importance given to the interior comfort, the luxury quotient. So it's not a one focus car. It's it catches all the parameters that a person would want to enjoy in a car. That is something very unique about this.
Thank you.